If m equal to 2, find the value of first bit m minus 2. We do this in this way. See, first bit m minus 2. Here he has given us m value to be 2. So in place of m, now we should write 2. This as it is, minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. This is our answer for the first bit. Next, second bit 3m minus 5. Now in place of m, we should write 2. So 3 into 2 minus 5. So 3 into 2, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1 is the answer for the second bit. Next, third bit 9 minus 5m. So 9 minus 5, in place of m you write 2. So 9 minus 5 into 2, 10. 9 minus 10 minus 1 is the answer for the third bit. Now fourth bit 3m square minus 2m minus 7. In place of m, now we should write 2. So 2 square minus 2. Here between these two or these two it is into. So 2 into, in place of m, 2 minus 7. So 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4 minus 7. So 3 into 4 is 12 minus 4 minus 7. 12 minus 4, 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1 is the answer for the fourth bit. Now the fifth bit. Now fifth bit 5m by 2 minus 4. In place of m, we should write 2 by 2 minus 4. Now this 2 cancel out, we are left with 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 is the answer for the fifth bit. If p equal to minus 2, find the value of first bit 4p plus 7. How do we find it? See, first bit is 4p plus 7. Here p value given to us is minus 2. So in place of p, we should write minus 2. In between these two, symbol is into, plus 7. So now negative symbol first, 4 into 2, 8, plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. This is our answer. Next, second bit minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. In place of p, we should write minus 2. So minus 3, in between these two it is into. In place of p, you write minus 2 whole square plus 4 into, in place of p, minus 2 plus 7. So now minus 3 into minus 2 whole square is plus 4 plus, no, plus into minus, minus 4 into 2, 8 plus 7. Now minus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 plus 7. Minus 20 plus 7 is minus 13. This is our answer for second bit. Next, third bit minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. in place of p we should put minus 2. So minus 2 into, in between these two it is into, so I kept into, and in place of p minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into, in place of p minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Next, minus 2 into minus 2 whole cube will result in minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 2 whole square is plus 4. And here plus into minus, minus 4 into 2, 8, plus 7. Now minus into minus plus 2 into 8, 16, minus 3 into 4, 12, minus 8 plus 7. Now let us add positive ones. Plus 16 plus 7 is plus 23. Minus 12 minus 8 will result in minus 20. So plus 23 minus 20 is plus 3 is our answer.